Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make AI dance video from photo using picture. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go over to TikTok or whichever app you want to go to and download the video of that particular, of any baby dancing video, and when you are done downloading it, you can go over to screenshot the video. Let me screenshot it. You have to screenshot the particular place where the details of the clothes is showing. So what you have to do next is for you to go over to your ChatGPT, and when you go over there, and what you have to do is for you to go over to this plus sign and go over to photo and go over to choose the particular picture, which is this, and go over to good. And what you have to do over here is for you to write give me 3 different prompts to create this kind of image with different outfits. But make the character the same. Then when you are done with that, you can go over to ChatGPT to make it. Let me do full stop. Make it to 3D pixel style. Don't forget this is really important. So let me go over to submit it. Yeah, you are going to read all this and you're going to choose the one which you want. The first one is Royal Warrior outfit, a cute African toddler princess character with Emma. And the second one is Modern Queen streetwear outfit, while the third one is traditional festival outfit. So you have to choose the one that fits what you want. So let me go to this number 3. So what I will do here, I will just copy it. Let me copy it, and the next step you have to do is for you to go to the other AI app. So let me go over to which is Kling AI. So on this app, it have limited time. So yeah, what you have to do is for you to go, you have to swap it over here, and you are going to see motion control. So let me go over to motion control, and over at this motion control, at this add character image, you just have to go over to add that particular image which you screenshot. So let me just add it with this particular place here. When you are done adding a character image, so the next step for you to take is for you to go over to TikTok or any app to choose to look for a dancing video that you like very well. So I'm going to choose one of our video where only she is dancing. So let me check this one out. Okay, this one over here is not what I'm looking for. So you have to look for what you want. Like the video she has to be standing and be dancing. You understand what I'm trying to talk about? And so you just have to go through any of the dancing video which she have. So let me go over to this next one over here, and this one also is very good, and but it's kind of slow. And so I want to go for the one that she's dancing really fast. So let me go back to the other one which is there, and so I'm going to take this video here. So what you have to do for you to download it, you're going to see that share arrow over here, and just have to go over to it. Let me go over to it right away, and you're going to see download. Just have to go over to download the video, and that is it. And what you have to do next for you to move over to Kling AI, and what you have to do at this add motion video, just have to go over to it and add that particular video which you took from TikTok, and you see is loading. Is it here? And look at the video at this particular place. Make sure this green thing, this green line is circling it. That is how you know is the particular video which is on. So you have to know that this green thing here is the video which we are using here. And at this prompt, what you copied from the ChatGPT, you just have to go over to paste it. And when you are done with that, you go over to generate. So let me go over to generate, and over at the down side is the quality of the video you want. And they have different quality of video. They have the one of 1000, 2000, 700, 300, and the lowest to the lowest form. So the highest, the one you have to choose there is like 1080 or 1030. Don't go below 700 and something MPs. Don't go below that number. So if you go below that number, the quality of your video will be very dull. It won't be catchy at all. So you have to go higher. And when you are done choosing the quality which you want, you can go over to generate. So I'm going to cut this video very short. I think I've talked a lot about this. You going over to generate, it won't take up to 2 to 3 minutes. Your video will be generated, and if it's exactly what you want, you are good to go. And if it's not exactly what you want, you can go over to ChatGPT and explain exactly what you want and choose the dancing video you want, and come over to this Kling AI. Yes, you go over to this Kling AI and do exactly what I just show you on this prompt. You tell the AI what you want, and you go over to generate. Sometimes AI does not give us exactly what we want, so we have to train the AI on certain part that you can really relate, and it can really give us what we want also. And when you are done with all of this, and the next step for you to go over is for you to go over to generate. You going over to generate, you're just going to generate your video for you. And I think this is the end of this video, guys. So I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up your notification, and see you next time, guys. Bye.